Hello, hi, namaskar to all my students. In the earlier session, we have completed 14 classes, 14 problems on the BRS, right? Let us move on to the 15th problem, my dear kids. This problem was asked from a CA Foundation manual material. It is of a 10th illustration. I'm going in depth, in detail, solving many problems on a particular chapter. Okay, now let us move on to this particular problem. When Nikki and company received a bank statement, what statement it is? Bank statement. Bank statement means what book it is? Passbook. Showing the balance. Oh, what does the passbook shows? Balance. Balance means what? Receipt of 10 lakh 39 200 for the period ended 30th June 2019. This did not agree with the bank balance as per the cash book. An examination of the cash book and passbook disclosed the following. See, my dear kids, this is your cash book. Debit side we have a receipt, credit side there is a payment. This is all about the passbook. Debit side payment, credit side we have a receipt. See what actually the first sentence is all about. बैंक स्टेटमेंट showed a balance. Oh, passbook में balance है. Passbook balance means what? A receipt. So here we will be having a balance. When passbook shows a balance, it is a credit balance. As far as the first transaction is concerned, my dear kids, it is to be entered in the same place. That means it is to be taken the credit side of your BRS statement, right? Let us start our solution with the first line, that is a bank balance as per which book, my dear kids? It is of passbook. So passbook balance or receipt. Passbook means it is of credit balance, a credit side. An amount of rupees 10 lakh 39,000, 10 lakh 39,200. Fine. Let us move on to the next point of your material. See, a deposit of rupees 3,09,200. Deposit means what? A receipt. Paid on 30th June 19. Paid means paid into bank. Paid means paid into bank. Had not been credited by the bank until 1st July. See how clearly the sentence is. It is being not being credited. Or transaction is not taken the credit side. Now what we have to do? Now we have to take it on the credit side. That is the point number A, that is a deposit not credited by the bank. Not credited means where we have to take? We have to take it on the credit side, which is of 3,09,200. Fine. See the next one. On 30th March 19, the company entered into hire purchase agreement. What agreement it is? Hire purchase agreement. Hire purchase agreement means what? Whenever we bought a vehicle on a credit, we have to pay the installment, right? Hire purchase agreement means an agreement in which only the possession of the property is given to the buyer, called a hire purchaser. The ownership of the property is transferred to him only on the payment of the last installment. We used to come across this kind of examples on the purchase of a house, on the purchase of a vehicle where the down payment is made. We used to make the regular installment. That is all about a hire purchase agreement. Actually, hire purchase agreement is one of the chapter in advanced financial accounting in your BCom syllabus. Okay, you will be learning it in detail in that particular chapter. But right now I am telling you what do you mean by hire purchase agreement? An agreement in which only the possession of the property is given to the buyer, the ownership is transferred to him only on the payment of the what? Last installment. Fine. Agreeing to pay the bank order a sum of rupees 3 lakh on the 10th of each month. Oh, how much they have to pay? They have to pay an amount of rupees. They have to pay an amount of rupees. How much? It is a 3 lakh on 10th of each month. Commencing from when? April 19th. Commencing from April 19th, it means 10th of April you have to pay 3 lakh. Then 10th of May you have to pay another 3 lakh. 10th of June you have to pay one more 3 lakh. Sir, why you are writing all the 3 payments? Because our accounts are being closed on 30th June. Your installment starts from when? Your installment starts from 10th of April. So 10th of April, 10th of May, 10th of June, all the 3 installment you have to pay. No entries had been made in the cash book. Oh, this is not entered in the cash book. When this is not entered in the cash book, we can say that no payment in which book? Cash book. No payment in cash book means no credit in cash book. So क्या करना हम? Credit side में लेना. कितना लेना? कुल मिला के we have to take 9 lakh. Sir, why 9 lakh? Because you are paying 3 installments. 10th of April, 10th of May, 10th of June. So we have to take it on what side? Credit side. So the point number is B. Hire, purchase, installments paid, but not recorded in cash book. So installment paid means payment, not recorded in cash book means no payment in cash book. How much? 3 installment 3 lakh. No credit in past cash book, so we have to take it on the credit side. It is an amount of rupees 9 lakh. I hope you got it, Makla. A customer of the firm who received a cash discount of 4%. See how many times we come across this transaction? 4% hai na cash discount. On account of 4 lakh. What is 4% of 4 lakh? It comes to rupees 16,000. Hai na? Paid the firm a check on 12th June. Means a customer paid a check to our business after deducting a 16,000 discount. So how much cash check that the customer gave to us? It is a difference of 3,84,000. So 3,84,000 is a check received by the business from its customer. Okay. Cashier erroneously entered gross amount in the bank column of the cash book. What the cashier did, my dear kids? Cashier entered the gross amount. Means in cash book he entered 4 lakh. But in passbook we entered only the difference of these two, 3,84,000. Then what happened? In cash book there is a over receipt. In passbook there is a under receipt. Did you understood? Cash book may we have recorded how much? In cash book we have recorded the gross amount of 4 lakh. In passbook we have recorded the difference of these two, 3,84,000. This is what the things happened. Now you have to do the BRS for what? You have to do the BRS only for 16,000. What is this? This is called over receipt in cash book. Means what? In cash book, receipt and payment. What happened here? There is a over receipt. When there is a over receipt, we have to take it what? We have to take it in opposite side because receipt mein zyada hai. When it is more in the receipt, we have to take it in opposite side. That is called over cost, right? Over recording, right? So let us write the point number C. Over receipt in cash book. Over receipt means it is recorded in what side? Debit side. Where we have to take? In the opposite side, that is on the payment side. How much we have to take? Only 16,000, because 16,000 is over high now there. Fine. See the next one. Bank charges amount into rupees 3,000. Bank charges matlab what? Bank charges is what? Payment had not been entered in the cash book. Means what? No payment in cash book. So when it is no payment in cash book में payment नहीं है, क्या करना? Cash book ನಲ್ಲಿ payment ಇಲ್ಲ. So ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? We have to take it in same side. उधर ही लेना है ना? We have to record it in same side, right? So same side means what? We have to take it on payment side. That means we have to take it on the creditor side. So what it is? Point number what? D. Bank charges not recorded in cash book. How much it is? देखिए ना कितना है अमाउंट उधर. Amount is what? 3,000 rupees. Shall we move on to the next point of the problem? See what is there according to the problem. On 28th June, customer of a company directly deposited, what do you mean by deposited, my dear kids? Receipt. The amount in the bank rupees 4 lakh, but no entry has been made in the cash book. My dear kids, this is not recorded in the cash book. What do you mean by this? Not recorded, no receipt in which book? In cash book. No receipt in cash book means what? No debit in cash book. So we have to take it in same side. What is the point number? Deposits not recorded in which book? Cash book. So we have to take it in what side? Debit side only, right? It is how much? An amount of rupees 4 lakhs. बराबर है ना ये? See the next point. What is there in the next point of the problem? What is there in the next point? See there. What happened here? No. It's not visible properly. Paid into bank recorded twice in the cash book. Checks paid into bank. क्या हुआ इधर? Checks paid into bank. See here. 11,200. See. 11,200 paid into bank. What do you mean by paid into bank? Paid into bank is nothing but deposit. Deposit means what? A receipt. Not entered twice in the cash book. Cash book में ज़्यादा हुआ. That is called what? Over receipt in cash book. Now in cash book we have a debit on the receipt side, credit on the payment side. क्या हुआ इधर? Over receipt हुआ. Over receipt means where we have to take? We have to take it in opposite side. That is on credit side. That is the point number is F, paid into bank. Recorded what? Twice in the cash book. Now my dear kids, paid into bank means it is not paid by bank payment. It is a deposit receipt. Recorded twice means over receipt in cash book. over debit in cash book. So we have to take it on the credit side. The amount is 11,200. I hope my dear kids you got it. See the next point. A debit of rupees 11 lakh. Debit दिया. Debit हुआ तो क्या करना? Take it on the credit side. Take it on the credit side. That is the answer. Let us check with other wordings. Appeared in the bank statement for an unpaid check. और check क्या हुआ इधर? Unpaid हुआ. Means return हुआ, dishonor हुआ. Which had been returned. So just now I told you, return हुआ. Marked out of date. Because of the date, the check is being dishonored. The check had been redated. So we have given one more check. By the customer. Customer has given to us. Paid into bank again on 5th July. Paid into bank means what? Deposited on 5th July. Deposited on 5th July means what? You are doing answer for what month? You are doing your BRS for 30th June. But here the deposit is made on when? The deposit is made on 5th July. When the deposit is made on 5th July, we can say that no receipt till 30th June. No receipt till 30th June. No receipt till 30th June means what? No receipt till 30th June. No receipt in 30th June means what? We didn't receive it. No debit. No passbook may write. Till no receipt. In where? In passbook. Means this is your payment. This is your receipt. Here no receipt in passbook. No receipt in passbook means what? We have to take it on the credit side. See, when you read the first sentence, a debit. Debit means what? Take it on the credit side. Whatever you want you can take. That is the point number what? It is of G. A debit in passbook. What to take? Take it on credit side. How much we have to take? 1,10,000. Or else another sentence. Deposited into bank on 5th July. Means what? No receipt in passbook till 30th June. No receipt in passbook means no credit in passbook. So we have to take it on credit side. Now my dear kids, work out the total. Space is not available here. Let me move on to the next page. See here, I write, work out the total of debit. The total of debit comes to how much? It is of rupees 4 lakh. The credit comes to how much? It is of rupees कितना आता वो? That is 6 lakh 97 29 lakh 4 lakh 33 lakh. Wait, the answer is on the credit side 33 lakh 78,600. The difference comes to 29 lakh 78,600. This is called debit balance as per started with which book? Started with passbook, end with cash book. So this is how we have to do the solution. Thank you. Namaskar. Bye bye. See you. Good night, my dear kids.